So here's a fire. But thank you to Mike, Glock 37. Just had a talk with him. Oh, here's Chris. Look at the hair. And apparently the stihl 880 on the clutch side uses a bigger bearing than I knew about. It has a 20 millimeter OD to the crank, i.e. the bearing is 20 millimeter ID. So that means that the current large sleeve does not fit. So never fear, I've just texted Kelby. He is on it. He will be making sleeves. So on a go-forward basis, I will make the sleeve optional as part of the main kit. Most people aren't putting together 880s, but if you want the sleeve, I will make that available. For those people that have purchased, okay, the people that have purchased full kits, if you need an 880 or going to be working with 880s, and I did certainly advertise that this would work for 880. You know, if you're going to be working with 880s, you let me know, and we'll work something out. So sorry about that. I didn't know that the bearing was too big. So just another wrinkle to add to this silly project. And yeah, anyway. So keep in touch, guys, and let me know if you have thoughts or questions. Send me emails, all that stuff. Anybody that's bought a kit, please contact me. If you are going to be working with 880s, you will need this sleeve. Anyway, thank you very much. Sorry about this, guys.